This conference will now be recorded.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh,
Hi.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
everybody.
Hi everybody. How are you?
good.
Okay. So
I'm
guys,
tired.
yesterday we are done with test cases. Now today we are going to discuss about test data. Right? Test data. So let's see here. Yesterday I already explained you. What do you mean by test data, guys? To test the application, some input data or input value required that we need to prepare. Right? So you can see here. Open the application. So actually, if you want to prepare test data, we are following some design techniques, right? Those are called black box design techniques. Earlier I told you, right? So black box design techniques we will prepare after that. Okay, right? Okay, so first one is BVA, boundary value analysis. What is BVA? When range kind of input we need to give, then we are using BVA. Okay, then we are using BVA. Let's see here. When range kind of input we need to give, then we are using BVA. Okay, so range kind of input means what? For example, this is the syntax: minimum equals to minimum minus 1, minimum plus 1, maximum equals to maximum minus 1, and maximum plus 1, like that, right? So let's see here. Maximum plus 1, like that. So what is the requirement of agent name? You can see here, this is the requirement of agent name. The A field should allow only alphabets of minimum 5 to maximum 8. Okay, and should not be left empty. So as per this requirement, what is the minimum value?
5.
Yes. So you have to prepare here. Minimum value should be 5. What type of data you need to give here?
Name alphabetical.
Minimum alphabet should be 5 and maximum should be 8.
Okay, next. Right. Next, alphabets, like five alphabets, like you can say it as a any five alphabets, like Vibha. Okay, so we have to test whether it is valid or invalid like that. Is it valid data or invalid data? Earlier you told me it's valid data, right? Why? Because minimum 5 to maximum 8 is valid only, right? Okay.
Right.
Next, minimum minus 1. Minimum is 5, 5 minus 1 is
4.
4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. So, okay, what is the name of this one? Right. Okay. So, like, you can give 4 letters for it. Say, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Why? Because 4 is invalid data, right? So then minimum plus 1 is what? Minimum is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6,
6.
right? 6 letter words you can give Nadine. Okay, is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Valid only. Okay, this is what about. No, maximum. So as per this one, what is the maximum?
8.
8.
8.
See, 8 letters you can able to give, right? So like okay, so is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Next, maximum minus 1.
7, and it will be valid.
And this is valid data. Next, maximum plus 1 is 9, right?
This will be invalid.
Okay, like this. Actually, in real time, we may find different situation. Okay, in real time, we may find different situation. So let's see here. Okay, let's see here. So you have to prepare this one. Field should accept up to 6 alphabets and should not be left empty because this one and this one also. In a real time, you may find different situation. Okay. So guys, tell me who you need to take the controls. Okay. Okay, I gave controls to Nrupali. So Nrupali, please go ahead. And everybody, please guys,
Sure. Okay.
help to her. Okay, go ahead, Nrupali. So as per this requirement, what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value?
6.
Yeah.
Will be
5
minimum.
and 8. 5 and 8. 5 is minimum, 8 is maximum.
But for this,
The
it
minimum
is written it should be 6 alphabet, up to 6 alphabet.
who should
Yeah, so
accept
you
up.
type 6 over there,
Yeah, 6.
6 alphabet.
And 1 minus will um, this
No, no,
this will be valid.
do exactly same way that she did. So you need to put alphabet name. Choose
Yeah,
the name has to
some
be
name.
alphabet. Yeah. So
Mm,
just type VIBHAL. V as in Victor, IBHAL. Okay, so that is 6. Now it is
This is
valid.
valid.
yeah.
Yes, space, and a valid data. All right, go to the next one.
Mm.
So 6 minus 1 is 5. Oh, valid data.
Hey, brother Zahid, I want to clarify one thing. It's
Mhm.
it says in field should accept up to 6 alphabets, but a in lower boundary it's a minimum is equal to 6. So up to 6 is the maximum limit, or it should be at least 6 alphabet.
No, remember the first time she said range requirement is 5 minimum and 8 is maximum. So we're not going above 8. So this is how she's doing probably. So let's finish this and you can ask her also. All right, so 5 minus 1, sorry, 6 minus 1 is 5. And over here you put, keep going. Uh, we're going to copy exactly what she said, SIR. So that should be
Siri,
as,
SIRR.
yeah, as only SIR. No, don't put, we need to put invalid, so make it less, right?
Yeah, Siri is only 4.
Okay, so yeah, and then just add one more letter to it. Okay, and then go space, 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 invalid data. Good. Next one would be, uh, what you call it? Yeah, good.
That is +7.
Right. So she put the name will be NADDEM and
But
put
I
Q.
think that would be valid data because the requirement is field should accept up to 6,
You have
So
echo on your.
not
okay,
more
so
I
than
right
guess you need to
6.
turn the
But
speaker off.
so right now I'm doing exactly what she did. So let's see if you do it right. Let's finish it. So this will be at least she come back, she take a look at it. So
okay,
uh,
okay.
then put add Q, NADDEE, one more E,
Oh, it's
NADEE.
NADEEM, 2 E's.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then add Q in the end. So that'll become 6, right? Oh no,
N
need
A
to be
D
7, right?
D E E M.
NADB
That would be 7.
and then alphabet, one more alphabet, so it becomes 7.
So you have to delete
Um,
one
I think
D
this
out.
is
Delete one D.
we,
I'm
we need
sorry.
7 alphabets, so that's okay as long as they don't go
Yeah,
back there.
yeah.
So that's good. You can put this one as valid data.
How is it valid? I
Okay,
mean,
so
7 is invalid data. Okay.
Oh, it is invalid because it says up to 6
Up to
alphabets,
6
right?
alphabets.
right,
Yep.
yeah, very good catch, good catch. Keep going. So now next,
Wait, so this will go invalid.
uh-huh, valid data,
Okay.
and then go to
But sir, I think the minimum -1, it need to be valid data. If you read the line, field should accept up to 6 alphabets. Up to 6.
Minimum 5, so it's 5 and 6.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I was saying.
yes. That's actually correct. Okay. Okay.
And for upper boundary, maximum would be 6.
6.
Yeah.
And it's the same name.
Yes.
yeah.
And this will be valid data. This will be 5. And I think it should be valid data too.
Yes. So what is that? 5 plus 6.
And this will be 7.
Yeah, this will be 7. And this will be invalid data.
So you can.
That's it.
Scroll it down a little bit. See the next one is also available on your right. Yeah.
See, as per the requirement, did you go through the requirement properly? The field should accept up to six alphabets. What do you mean by up to six alphabets? So, as per the
It
up
could
to six,
be.
for
It could be.
example, when you go to the shopping mall, they are saying like up to 60% discount. Means what? They are giving minimum 60% discount. Up to 60% means
The max would be
Maximum,
60.
maximum
uh, so
60%.
minimum should be 10% also even, right? Like the
Anything,
here.
yeah.
Anything, right? Minimum should be what? 10%, right? See, minimum should be one. Why? Because zero is not valid. It should, if even if it is zero also, but zero is not valid. It should not be left empty. Okay, do you understand? So minimum one would be this one. So very good, you good try. There is no data null, right? Null means invalid data, right? And two means valid only. Okay. So below ones are same thing. Maximum is six only. So five, seven. This is correct. Do you understand? Okay. So that's what I gave you. Why? Because in a real time you may find different situation, right? You have to understand. So go through this one even. Guys, everybody please help to help.
Yes, I can do this.
Who can?
Sh- Yes, I can do this.
Rajat. Hi.
This is Shiraz.
Shehzad.
Shahzad.
Shahzad.
Okay.
Shahzad I gave you. Shahzad I gave you. Go ahead.
So this one should only accept 5 digit. We cannot go more than five.
Am I going to receive the control?
You don't have a control?
Yes, you are moving it actually. You have the control. Guys, everybody please discuss. Don't be quiet.
So that's very confusing to me. It says should accept only 5 digit, then it says minimum five.
So digits. So that won't be any alphabets. I'm guessing that would be only numbers.
Yeah, that's right. It's only digit. So,
So instead of writing names, we will be using numbers.
right. So, Shazad, go back to the
You can change the name into 5 digits. Just maybe put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good catch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Valid data.
Click on it and let it sit for 30 seconds. Then start typing.
Like this remote is kind of easier than the one that we're using before.
Sir, it's okay.
Yeah.
So maximum should also be 5.
5. Yeah, because it says only 5 digits. So should be same thing.
Yeah, should be same.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾರ್ದಾಗ ಪೈನ 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 ಎಷ್ಟು
Sir, it's okay.
minimum should
Yeah.
be 5, maximum should be 5, right? Perfect guys. So then ECP means what? Equivalence class partition. When more than one requirement is there, then we are using ECP. Okay. So please observe what is the requirement of agent name. Please observe. A field should accept allow only alphabets. This is one requirement. Okay. And range is provided like minimum 5 to maximum. That is another requirement. Okay. And it should not be left empty. That is another requirement. Like that, if more than one requirement is there, then we are using ECP. Right? ECP. Let's
Yes.
see. So
Can you please repeat it again?
more than, so what is ECP? Equivalence class partition means when more than one requirement is there, then we are using ECP. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I
Thank
don't
you.
get it. No, I didn't get it. I didn't understand.
I'm saying that, please observe. ECP means what? Equivalence class partition. When more than one requirement is there, then we are using ECP. What do you mean by more than
Oh,
one requirement? See,
There are
Okay,
three
more than
requirements.
the field
Okay.
should allow. What happened? Hello? Are you talking with me or someone else?
I'm talking.
See, guys, please observe. Okay, so the field should allow only alphabets. That is one requirement, right or not? And they provided range like minimum 5 to maximum 8. That is another requirement. Okay, and it should not be left empty. So, like that, more than one requirement is there. Here, more than one requirement is there, right? Then we need to
Right.
prepare ECP. How we are preparing ECP means actually in Excel sheet we have to prepare ECP, guys. Okay, so let's see here. We are going to prepare the data, test data here. Let's see. In Excel sheet, test data. So, what do you mean by test data here? So, to prepare test data, we are following some columns. First one is field name. So, right now, what is the field? Agent name field. Okay, so input data and then result. So first we need to go with the BVA. Okay, so now you already know the requirement of agent name. Let me open the document first. Go to the agent name. So please read this agent name requirement thoroughly. The field should allow only alphabets of minimum 5 to maximum 8 and it should not be left empty. Right? So, okay. Okay. So you can see here the agent name, the field should allow only alphabets of minimum 5 to maximum 8. It should not be left. Right? So let's see. So let's see here how we are going to prepare the data. As per this requirement, what is the minimum value? Minimum equals to 5, right? So right now we go through this, right? So 5 alphabets we have to use. Like for example,
A,
you
B, C,
can write
D,
anything, right? Is it valid or invalid? You have to give it here.
valid.
Valid.
Okay. So now Shajat, take the controls and prepare this one. Minimum minus 1 you have to write. Minimum plus 1, then maximum, maximum minus 1, maximum 5 plus 1 like that. Go ahead. Hello. Are you controlling? Are you controlling?
Yes, I'm.
Check it out. Try to move it here. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sorry, there is something lagging.
Yeah, leave it for 30 seconds. Once it blink, then you can type. So what are you trying to put here? Maximum 6 or maximum?
I think I lost the control.
Apollo, you have a control?
No, I don't. I see it's moving.
Is that you?
Yeah, who wants to take control? Okay, let's see. I'll give controls to Drupali. Maybe she is better. Her system is giving me good access. Yeah. Drupali, please go
Okay.
ahead. Do this one.
Sure.
Guys, everybody please involve.
Yes. So what are we putting here, Nafali? Let us
I
see.
think she said that we have to do the same thing that we did earlier. Minimum minus 1 plus 1.
Okay. So here she put minimum equal 5. So the next one should be
Minimum plus 1 is equal
Hmm?
to
okay.
6.
And 1 equals to 6.
Plus 1.
Keep on freezing. One equals 6. I think he got the A, B, C, D, E, F, right? This will be valid.
Yeah,
Yes.
just hit enter. It's there.
Minus 1 equals 4.
Invalid.
It, it will be
Hit
invalid?
enter. See, the maximum is 5, right? So if it's 4, it's invalid, right?
I think it is between 5 to 8.
Yeah.
So
Oh
it
yeah,
will
then
be
it should be
invalid.
valid.
Okay.
Why? Maximum.
God, is stuck.
Now we're going to max 8.
Yeah, skip one line. Skip one column. Go to the skip one. So this way. Yeah, there you go.
Any suggestions, or should I just put A, B, C, D?
Yeah.
No, it was okay. Maximum is equal to 8.
Okay. My side, it's completely frozen. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. It just disappeared.
Yeah, just leave your mouse for 30 seconds. Then it'll settle.
delete H.
Just populating by itself.
And you just hit enter, and then
So after this, you need to prepare test ECP, right? Let it finish.
yes,
Yes.
What is ECP? When more than one requirement is there, then we are using ECP, I said, right?
Yeah.
So, so more than one requirement means what as per this one? So capital A to Z, capital alphabets, is it valid or invalid? Okay. So you have to check small letters. As per the requirement, there is no case sensitive. So capital and small letter both are valid only, right? Now what about blank value? What about
Invalid.
blank value? So yes, blank is invalid. And next, only numbers and special characters and alphanumerics and point ranges like 3.5 like that. So we have to check. Remaining all are invalid data, right?
Yes,
Only
because
Yes.
the
one
requirement is alphabet.
I should accept only alphabets, right? So this is what about. Same likewise, you need to prepare data for the password. Okay, so let's see here. So who wants to prepare the data for the password? I think we will do it on tomorrow session. Time is up. Okay. So tomorrow session we are going to prepare the data for the password and then we need to execute it, guys. Okay. And then we are moving to the third phase, execution phase also tomorrow. Got it? Okay.
yes.
So tomorrow we are
Yes.
going to, I'll read the build to you. You are going to execute. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.